A very good evening, one and all, for our valedictory function of ATAL sponsored online 6-day faculty development program on Outlook on best practices and strategies for chip design implementation from industry perspective. Now, I would like to request our FDP coordinator, Professor S. Krishnavari Garu, to give a report on this FDP.
Thank you, Venkatesh sir. Respected dignitaries, our beloved secretary and correspondent, Professor P. Somaraju sir, Director R&D, Professor P.V. Sharma sir, Principal, Professor K.S. Bose sir, Director ENT Programs, Professor P.V. Vinay sir, Head of the Department of ECE, Dr. P.A. Nageshwar sir, FDP Co-Coordinator, Mr. S. Venkatesh sir, esteemed speakers and my dear participants. Good evening to one and all. It is both a honor and privilege for me to stand before you today as the coordinator of this ATAL-sponsored faculty development program on outlook on best practice and strategies for chip design implementation and industry perspective. We have reached the conclusion of this enriching journey, and I would like to take this opportunity to reflect on the incredible learning experience we have shared over the past few days. At the outset, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our ATAL Academy for their continued support and sponsorship for this FDP. We are delighted to announce the overwhelming success of our faculty development program, which witnessed the enthusiastic participation of 185 esteemed participants from various institutions across the India. This remarkable turnout underscores the program's relevance and the widespread recognition of its value in fostering academic excellence and professional growth. Throughout this program, we explored the end-to-end chip design flow that powers modern semiconductor systems. The main focus of our discussions has been on best practices and strategies, which is very much essential for successful chip design implementation in the industry. Our esteemed resource persons have done an outstanding job in covering the critical topics on emerging areas such as Mr. Dilip Kumar Ennigaru covered RTL to GDS flow, which he explained understanding how high-level RTL descriptions are covered into physical layouts that can be fabricated as a real chips. In the second day session, Susan Garu explained about static timing analysis, the importance of ensuring designs that meet timing constraints, which is very much crucial aspect of guaranteeing the chip's performance and its functionality. On the third day, Ms. Rashmi Garu and Uday Garu explained about the synthesis, a detailed look how we take RTL code and transform it into optimized gate level designs, considering its performance, power, and area constraints. In the next day, we have a session with Uday Kumar Garu on physical design and packaging and design for testability. The ensuring the chips are designed to be testable, a vital aspect for guaranteeing the quality and reliability of final projects. And the next day, Raja Garu explained about Raja Garu explained about digital design verification, the process of validating the functionality of each design to ensure that they are meeting the specifications before meeting to the manufacturing phase. Ravi Teja Garu covered the topics on custom design layout, a deep dive into the creation of custom layouts tailored for specific requirements and ensuring compliance with the design rules. These sessions have provided invaluable insights into the real-world applications. We are very much fortunate to have to have learned from such an experts. To all the participants, I would like to extend my deepest thanks for your active engagement throughout this FDP. Your enthusiasm, insightful questions, and collaborative spirit have been integral to the success of this program. I would like to extend a special thanks to our department faculty, technicians, and all my team who have worked tirelessly to ensure the smooth conduct of this program. A big thank to Atal Academy. I wish all the participants all the best for future academic and professional endeavors. Thank you, one and all. Over to Venkatesh, sir.
Now I would request some feedbacks from the participants.
Good evening, sir. This is Devi Pradeep from Anix College. Venkatesh sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir, you are clear.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Dear VLSI domain learning aspirants, good evening to one and all. First of all, so grateful to the speakers, Dilip Garu, Sujan Garu, Rashmi Garu, Uday Garu, Srihari Garu, and Raja Garu, and Raviteja Garu for delivering wonderful sessions during the 6 days. Covered from specifications to the chip level VLSI design for all levels, even in-depth covered from RTL to GDS to static timing analysis, synthesis, DFT, physical design, even for custom layout design. Even for last 2 days session, Raviteja explored so many things about layout, even for metal layer 1 to the metal 7. And not only that, even for how the areas are there, how the VLSI core jobs are different from software jobs, how the opportunities are there, and everything covered very nicely. And even a special thanks to the and congratulations to the organizers, Krishnaveni Madam, Venkatesh Garu, and whole ECE department of GVPCDPGC College Rushkonda, and for excellent organization of this ATAL FDP, titled Outlook on Best Practices and Strategies for Chip Design and Implementation from Industry Perspective. Here, the thing is, whatever mentioned, everything targeted to the industry, even for job opportunities and careers in the VLSI domain, everything was addressed very so nicely and very structurally organizing this FDP, very informative. Everyone is getting benefit of this one. We are sharing this, we are transforming this knowledge to the current upcoming students. Finally, very nice organization. A special thanks to the ECE department of your college and as well as your management for such a nice program you arranged, sir. Nice, sir. Finally, thanks for giving me the opportunity to join for this FDP as well as for giving a chance to share my opinions. Thank you, one and all. Thank you for as to be a part of this FDP as a participant. Even we learned so many things, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Especially Venkatesh Garu, everything response is very nice. So many participants' queries, everything is cleared properly. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I am Dr. Venkatrao Chalamuri, professor at Sanketika Vidya Parishad Engineering College. Sir, I would like to thank Dr. Krishnaveni Madam, coordinator, and Mr. Venkatesh, co-coordinator of this FDP program for providing such a wonderful program. I also extend my gratitude to the speakers, Sujan sir, Dilip sir, Uday sir, Hari sir, Rashmi Madam, Raja sir, and Raviteja sir for delivering highly effective and informative lectures. Actually, in fact, I am illiterate in this VLSI field, but I learned more from this program. This FDP was an enriching, insightful experience. It provided a comprehensive understanding of current trends, challenges, and best practices in chip design. These sessions offered valuable knowledge directly applicable to both academic and industrial settings, effectively equipping all the participants with the skills needed for successful chip design and implementation. This program covered a broad range of topics from advanced process nodes and verification techniques to security considerations and sustainability in chip design. It featured industry experts with extensive experience in semiconductor design and development, whose insights into the challenges and future outlook of the industry are particularly invaluable. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Krishnaveni madam and Mr. Venkatesh sir. Very nice session. Thank you very much. Is it audible, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Good
Krishnaveni
evening,
madam.
all of
Thank
you.
you.
I'm Dr. Leela Rani from GVP College of Engineering. This ATAL FDP was highly informative and provided valuable insights in the area of VLSI. The concepts of various domains in VLSI like RTL design, synthesis, DFT, and physical design are discussed in detail, covering both theoretical and practical implementation aspects, which made all the sessions very effective. All the speakers showcased remarkable expertise, provided clear explanations, and made every session highly interactive. Overall, the workshop was a highly enriching experience, and I hope every participant gained valuable skills and knowledge in the field of VLSI. I thank Dr. Nageshwar Rao sir, HOD, Professor Krishnaveni madam, coordinator, and Venkatesh sir, co-coordinator, and all the organizing committee members for their excellent efforts in making this 6-day FDP a grand success. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Leela Rani madam.
Yeah, can I speak, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
My name is Aditya. I'm the faculty from Gayatri DMTB University, Vaisakh. So actually, before attending the ATAL FDP, I felt like whether these topics are relevant to me or not. Before that, I have done some couple of NPTEL courses also in the domain of VLSI. But all the sessions, whatever happened in the last 6 days, all the speakers really have provided deep insights into different topics in the VLSI domain, especially to highlight a very few topics. I could get a clear understanding about the opportunities in the VLSI domain, and also I enjoyed few topics around about how do we perform timing path analysis, delay analysis, and how do we handle jitters while performing the static timing analysis. And in the chip design aspects also, I got some better clarity regarding the forward planning objectives, and with respect to physical domain, learned about hierarchical design automation, hierarchical design planning issues. And finally, in the design and testability session, how do we perform, how do we generate automate test patterns? That is also very interesting for me, sir. So even though I have done a couple of NPTEL courses, I got some better clarity in the domain of VLSI, in the domain of chip designing aspects and all. So really, I would like to thank all the speakers and who are the leads of various organizations like Quest Global and Intel. So not only that, sir, I also request all the leads of various organizations.
Sir, sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt you. Can you please switch on your audio video also, sir?
So is it required, sir?
No problem, sir.
Okay, carry
As
on,
you-
sir. Carry on.
Yeah. So I would like to thank all the leads and the speakers of various organizations, sir. Along with that, I also request all the speakers, like, because they are from good organizations in our campuses, not only our campus, in our colleges, wherever we have MTech VLSI design courses, we request you to come and recruit the people and test the knowledge of our students also, because you are saying that, not only you are saying, in fact, that is true, there are a lot of opportunities in the VLSI domain, but as far as my knowledge is concerned, most of the opportunities are restricted to IIT and IIT level. So we request you to please do visit our campuses also if possible. So that is the request from our side. Other than that, all the sessions are offered us a very deep insights into the chip designing aspects there. So I would like to thank all the speakers and also the organizers of GVP, and a special thanks to Venkatesh Garu, who has been continuously monitoring the program since a month, and who has been continuously updating the status and answering all the queries, sir. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Aditya, sir.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes,
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 sir.
ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Saujanya from GVP Rushkonda campus. Firstly, I would like to thank the organizers of this FDP, Professor S. Krishnaveni Madam and Venkatesh Sir, for conducting such an excellent FDP on VLSI, which has covered all core concepts like RTL synthesis, testability, design verification, and layouts, and many more. And my special thanks to all the resource persons because they have presented all the concepts clearly and improved my understanding of VLSI design. And I can implement these concepts for my research work. So these concepts were very helpful for me. And I look forward to attending more such FDPs in future. So thank you. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, madam.
Is anyone else want to give feedback?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. This is Dr. Chishi from Gayatri University, Visakhapatnam campus. Firstly, I express my sincere gratitude to all the speakers from the day one. The FDP was planned well, and the speakers all are from industry. I like to express my deep gratitude to them by name, like Dilip sir, Sujan sir, and then Rashmi madam, Uday garu, Hari sir, Raja sir, and then Raviteja garu for their excellent sections. And then the Raviteja garu was being so mingled with the participant, like he could help the participants even after this FDP. These are all the humanity in nature. We really like that. So definitely, we approach the faculty and the speakers and future in our doubts or maybe in the research. And then the depth, the knowledge of the faculty, I mean, the speakers and the clear presentation have greatly enriched our understanding of these critical topics, which not on the book, but it's a real-time implementation, and then analysis, timing or the error, and then glitches, handling. All these are great experience to us as we just in the laboratory or anything, we just go with the simulation part. But beyond that, the power calculations, everything have been delivered externally. And I would like to thank the organizers, especially the Krishnaveni Garu and the Venkatesh Garu, for curating such a well-structured event and creating this platform for learning and interaction. Learning and interactive. We thank the Gayatri management and the principal HODs for encouraging the faculty for organizing such a well-structured FDP. And then lastly, my appreciations to all my faculty and the participants for active engagement. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Moinuddin sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Any participants who would like to share your feedback?
So, ma'am, not the feedback. I have a doubt. So, do we need to stay in the session while writing the exam also?
No, sir, no need. You can write your exam through our ATAL portal, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Madam, maybe last section
Good
feedback.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, madam.
Madam, exam link is, I think it's not working.
Ma'am, exam link will not be shared. You have to write exam in ATAL through your login only. It will be activated by 7:15 p.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So what is the closing time of exam?
Exam duration is 45 minutes.
So within this time, SPAM you have to complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, I would like to request Professor K.S. Bose Garu, Principal, Gayatri Vidya Parishad College for Degree and PG courses, to give valedictory message.
Thank you, Mr. Venkatesh.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I really appreciate the college management, especially our beloved president, Professor P.S. Rao Garu, our secretary and correspondent, Professor Somraj Garu, and our vice president of the Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Professor D. Dakshinamurthy Garu, and my teacher, Professor P.V. Sharma Garu, and my colleagues of the Gayatri Vidya Parishad College for Degree and PG courses, and coordinator of this FDP program, Professor Krishnaveni Madam, and Mr. Venkatesh, and HOD of the ECE department, Dr. Nageswara Garu, and my participants and resource persons. Good evening, one and all. I really appreciate all the organizers as well as participants to make this 6-day ATAL sponsored online faculty development program entitled Outlook on Best Practices and Strategies for Chip Design Implementation from Industry Perspective. This went on well, and all the resource persons gave their expertise and experience in the form of words through online. I hope all the faculty members and all the participants got the lot of information and insights in different fronts and different perspectives. From the chair of the principal, I appreciate all the organizers of this FDP for smooth conduction of this in a very short span of time. I thank all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff and participants, resource persons and college management to make these sessions more fruitful and informative. With these few words, once again, I congratulate the coordinators of this FDP program, Professor Krishnaveni Garu and Mr. Venkatesh, for making scheduling in proper and scientific manner. I have seen and I have heard the feedback of the participants. It's really excellent and really delighted. And I expect the same kind of the enthusiasm and same level of interest to organize more FDPs in this manner to make this college in a good fronts. Finally, I thank AICTE ATAL Academy for sponsoring this program and making this program in grand successful manner to do it. With these few words, I sign it off, and finally, I wish you all for your future journey of your career. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much
madam.
for your support and encourage, sir.
Thank you very much, Venkatesh Garu.
Now, I would like to request Dr. P.A. Nageswara Garu, HOD ECE, to give valedictory message.
Good evening. Am I audible, sir? Venkatesh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, all respected dignitaries, our beloved secretary and correspondent, Professor P. Somaraju, sir. Director R&D, Professor P.V. Sharma, sir, founder member of GVP. Principal Garu, Professor K.S. Bose, sir. Director, Engineering and Technology Programs, Professor P.V. Vinay, sir. FDP Coordinator, Professor S. Krishnaveni Garu. FDP Co-Coordinator, Mr. S. Venkatesh. Esteemed speakers and participants, my dear colleagues, good evening to one and all. The Department of ECE has always considered skill upliftment paramount in every aspect since its inception. In this regard, it has been conducting activities for faculty skill upgradation and enrichment. In its ongoing effort, the department is now organizing the online faculty development program under ACT Training and Learning ATAL FDP, and outlook on best practices and strategies of chip design implementation from industry perspective. ACT has taken various quality initiatives to promote technical education in the country, which also includes enhanced impetus on development of the faculty teaching in the colleges across the country. ACT Training Learning ATAL Academy is one. Its initiative which has been conducting various faculty development programs for imparting upgradation faculty knowledge in thrust and emerging areas. The Department of ECE thanks ACT for its efforts and encouragement. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Krishnaveni Madam and Mr. S. Venkatesh and the Department of ECE faculty, non-teaching staff also for taking their sincere efforts in coordinating this activity. To just mention you, within a span of one day, Dr. Krishnaveni Madam and Venkatesh Sir has applied for this proposal, and then we are very fortunate because this is the second time we are hosting this ATAL FDP activity, and we keep on trying to conduct such activities, and we request your all the participants supports in future also. Finally, and I would like to thank all the participants who are extending their additional working hours to spare and attend this workshop to make it grand success. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable information. Now I would like to convey vote of thanks. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere thanks to ACT ATAL for sponsoring this FDP and for their unwavering support in supporting quality education. I extend my deepest gratitude for our distinguished speakers and resource persons whose expertise and thought-provoking sessions have enlightened us and inspired new avenues of learning. I am deeply thankful to our management, our principal sir, Director ENT Programs, HOD sir, co-coordinator, my dear colleagues, for their continuous encouragement and support. Finally, my heartfelt thanks to all the 185 esteemed participants from various institutions who actively engaged in this program. Once again, I thank you all for your cooperation and support. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. All the participants, first you have to give a feedback in ATAL login. Through ATAL login, in left side, you have options like feedback. First, you have to fill that feedback. After that, after completing that step, you have to go to assessments. In assessments, we have to select our FDP name and go to that link. The link will be active from 7:15. So you have to attempt exams from 7:15. The total number of questions here we were given as a multiple choice questions. Total 25 number of questions is given. 45 minutes is duration. Thank you, everyone.
Sir, will there be any feedback link on the last session, about the last session?
We will take it from ATAL, sir. You can give it in ATAL. It is okay.
Okay, thank you.
Last session feedback already shared in the link in our
Okay,
group.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Otherwise, you can leave. All the very best for your exam.
Yeah, thank you very much, Krishnaveni Madam and Venkatesh sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir.
Dear participants,
Well, can you please clarify my doubt? Good evening. Is the exam timings 7:15 to 8 o'clock today?
right, sir. Right, sir.
Thank you very much, Professor.
You're welcome, sir. Dear participants, if you have any queries, you can post in the WhatsApp group. Examination timings will be from 7:15 to 8 o'clock. All of you can attend examination in ATAL portal.
Ma'am, this link shared by you, by directly clicking, we can go for the assessment, or we have to again log in the ATAL FDP.
You have to log in, sir.
You have to log in on ATAL FDP, and left side you have an assessment and feedback. First you have to complete feedback, and then you have to go for assessment.
Actually, just I am going to log in. This is asking for the general detail, and this after completing this, and now I'm not getting any assessment link over here.
Are you logging through your mobile
I
or
have to
laptop?
go in. No, from laptop.
Left side
Then
you have so many options.
list of selected
will
ATAL
come,
FDP.
sir.
Actually, this is after participant detail, list of selected FDP. I have to go in this.
Left side you have options like feedback and exam assessment, attendance, all the details are there.
Okay, I'm doing again for the registration. Okay, sir. Thank you. I will see.
Hello, sir.
Hello, madam.
Yeah, when I'm submitting that feedback 9 portal, then everything is perfect. Last option is there for one resource person, first best resource person, and second best resource person. So in first resource person or faculty, it is showing all the speaker names, right? But in the second best, no names are coming. But this field is required to submit the feedback. Can you look into that?
It will come, madam. It will come.